Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a car jump starter from a company called ACMOUNT. It has a built-in LED flashlight and a built-in USB type A port to use it in case of an emergency. You need to charge your phone or you need to charge any other device. You can use this as a power bank. The box is pretty simple, it doesn't tell you much. It has two faces, both of them are the same, just where it was manufactured and some voltage specs. This will basically jumpstart your car if your battery is dead. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So as always, we should start with the small stuff first and work our way up. We have instruction manual. Make sure you read this to know how to use it. We have a customer support card. If you're not happy or it's not working for some reason for you, just email them at support@acmount.net. They'll be more than happy to help you out. They have a fast response time as well. We have the main unit itself. We have this beautiful carry case, which is quite sturdy by the way, so everything you see on this table can be put inside here. And yeah, it's really convenient because you can tuck it into the boot of your car or glove compartment and just forget about it and use it only when you need it. We have the alligator clips. This will clip into your battery, positive and negative. This side right here will go into the main unit itself. So going to the main unit, this is how it looks. We have the built-in flashlight. I think you have to long press. Yeah, if you long press, the flashlight will go on. Long press again, will turn off. We have a display right here that will show you the actual power of the battery. We have a built-in compass, which obviously points toward north. We have this metal bit right here, which can be used in case of an emergency to break your car window so you can get out. It's useful. Not very people do that, but it's useful to have, especially in this package right here. On this side, we have the port where the adapter, this bit will plug in, so then you can clip it to your battery. And on the other side, we have two USB type A ports and one USB type C port. You use this USB type C port to charge the actual jump starter, and pretty much that's it. It's a very useful piece of kit. It's budget friendly, it doesn't cost a lot. It's nice to have in the car just in case of an emergency, especially if you live in remote areas or something like that. I am not going to test it on my car now because I have no need to. The car is working fine, the battery is not dead, but I'm pretty sure if the battery is gonna die, I will be using it. I'm gonna keep this in my car from now on. If you guys want to buy this, I'm gonna have a link into the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.